classmates. I am Stella Maria Ato from BSS Science 1A, and this video report we are going to tackle all about protected areas in the Philippines. My video report start with a question: why we need to have a protected area in our country? Yes, the Philippines needs protected areas to conserve its rich biodiversity and natural resources. These areas help protect endangered species and preserve ecosystems. They also support clean air, water, and livelihood for future generations. Before we proceed to our formal discussion, I have a short video clip to show you.
In the Philippines' 7,641 islands, there are guardians of land and sea, pristine lakes and wild rivers, mountains and forests, teeming with life, big and small. As we explore, we too become guardians that ensure these special destinations last for the next generation. Visit a protected area today so you can save our spots and keep the fun going.
Did you know that the Philippines is rich for biodiversity with many unique plants, animals, and natural wonders? To protect these valuable resources, the country has created protected areas such as national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, and marine reserves. These places help preserve nature while allowing people to enjoy and learn from the environment in a safe and sustainable way. The Philippines has a network of protected areas established to conserve its rich biodiversity and natural resources. These areas include national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, protected landscape and seascapes, and more, all governed by National Integrated Protected Area System or NIPAS. As of 2022, there are 248 protected areas encompassing 7.8 million hectares. These are the protected areas in the Philippines. We have national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, and protected landscape and seascapes. Number 1 is national parks, areas of national significance designated for its protection and sustainability. Use of natural resources. Some protected areas include Mount Iglit Baco National Park, Aurora Memorial National Park, Bataan National Park, Hundreds Islands National Park, Mount Pulag National Park, Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park. I have a short definition and why these protected areas needs a national park. Number 1 is the Mount Iglit Baco National Park. This park in Mindoro is the only natural habitat of the tamaraw, a critically endangered buffalo species. It protected to conserve the tamaraw population and mountain population and maintain the grassland and forest ecosystem. Example, tamaraw sightings and conservation programs in Mindoro. Number 2 is the Aurora Memorial National Park located in the Sierra Madre. This park protects tropical rainforests and species like the Philippine eagle. It is a protected area to stop illegal logging and preserve the largest remaining forest in the central Luzon. For example, forest patrols guarding eagle nesting sites. Number 3, Bataan National Park. This park features waterfalls, caves, and diverse wildlife including the monitor lizard and native deer. It is protected to preserve its national ecosystems and prevent urban development in Bataan's mountain. Example, hike and Pasukulan Falls inside the protected forest. Number 4 is 100 Islands National Park. The park is made up of over 100 islands with coral reefs, seagrass beds, and marine animals like giant crabs. It is protected to conserve marine biodiversity and control the impact of tourism and fishing. Example, marine sanctuary with the giant clam nurseries. Number 5 is the Mount Pulag National Park. This mountain is the highest in Luzon and home to unique plants like dwarf bamboo and cloud rats. It is protected to preserve its highland ecosystem and the tradition of indigenous peoples like the Ibaloy. Example is responsible trekking tours on the Ambangig tree. Number 6, Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park. This park has the world-famous underground river in the limestone cave system, home to bats, swallows, and swiftlets. It is protected for global ecological value and recognition as UNESCO World Heritage Site. Examples, guided boat tours in the underground river system. Protected landscape and seascapes. Areas where humans and nature interact harmoniously, often allowing for public enjoyment and recreation. Examples include the Guian Protected Landscape and Seascapes and the Pamintinan Protected Landscapes. Key characteristic: harmonious interaction, significant aesthetic, ecological, cultural value, high biological diversity, public enjoyment, and community involvement. One of the examples is the Biri La Rosa, known for its striking rock formation and rich marine biodiversity. Biri La Rosa is protected to maintain its ecological balance and protect its rare species of flora and fauna. Its significance as a geological and marine reserve ensures sustainable tourism and conservation efforts. Number 2 is Mabini. Mabini's coastal waters and rich marine ecosystem, including coral reefs and mangroves, are conserved due to their importance in supporting local fisheries and biodiversity. The area's protection ensures a sustainable environment for both wildlife and local communities. The third one is Siargao Island. Famous for its unique landscapes, mangroves, and coral reefs, Siargao is protected due to its importance as a biodiversity hotspots and to safeguard its marine resources for future generations. It also promotes sustainable tourism, balancing development with ecological preservation. The last one is the Batanes, protected for its unique blend of mountainous landscape, rich biodiversity, and cultural significance, maintaining its pristine environment and preserving indigenous traditions. Its conservation is vital for protecting endemic species and ensuring sustainable development in the region. Based on my understanding, protected areas in the Philippines are special places where nature is cared for and allowed to thrive. They're important today because they give us clean water, they give us clean air, fresh water, and a safe home for animals and plants. Protecting them now means future generations can still enjoy their beauty, learn from them, and live in a healthier world. And that's all. Thank you for watching.